Imagine an industry so vast it shapes economies, transforms communities, and fuels human curiosity. Welcome to travel and tourism, a global powerhouse growing faster than ever before. Let's unpack why this sector isn't just about vacations, but is a lifeline for millions and a golden opportunity for visionary entrepreneurs. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, tourism was one of the world's largest industries, responsible for 1 in every 4 new jobs created worldwide. That's 333 million people, 10.3% of all global employment, building careers as pilots, hoteliers, tour guides, and conservationists. Then came the pandemic. Borders closed, flights halted, and the world saw firsthand how vital tourism truly is. Entire communities felt the loss, not just of income, but of connection, culture, and progress. But here's the rebound story. The World Travel and Tourism Council forecasts that between 2022 and 2032, the sector's economic contribution will grow at 5.8% annually, more than double the global economy's projected growth rate. And it's not just about dollars. This resurgence promises 126 million new jobs, from tech-driven roles like sustainable travel planners to grassroots opportunities in emerging economies. Why does this matter? For developing nations, tourism is a catalyst. It builds roads, schools, and hospitals. It funds wildlife conservation in Kenya's savannas and empowers women artisans in rural Indonesia. It turns poverty into possibility. Think of a fisherman in Thailand who now runs eco-friendly boat tours, preserving marine life while earning triple his old income. Or a young woman in Peru launching a digital platform to connect travelers with indigenous-led homestays, safeguarding her community's traditions. For entrepreneurs, the timing has never been better. The post-pandemic traveler craves authenticity and purpose. Boutique agencies curating carbon-neutral adventures, apps promoting under-the-radar cultural gems, or startups blending virtual reality with heritage tours. These are tomorrow's success stories. The industry's rebound isn't just recovery, it's reinvention. But the real magic lies in scale. Tourism's growth isn't confined to luxury resorts or crowded cities. It thrives in small towns and remote villages. A single safari lodge in Botswana can employ 50 locals, fund anti-poaching units, and send children to school. A food tour startup in Mexico City can revive ancient recipes and triple demand for local farmers. So whether you're a job seeker, a changemaker, or a future CEO, tourism offers a path. It's an industry where passion meets profit, where your work can protect rainforests, celebrate cultures, and bridge divides. The future of travel isn't just about where we go. It's about who we become along the way. Ready to be part of this revolution? The world is waiting.